Hello everybody. These have already been out today once, so we're not expecting much, but the second rounders have started to take off, so I thought I'd just have them out again, get them on the loft again, even if they go in the air, which is what one of them is. Both of them possibly are second rounders, or should I say they're the crosses from in that shed that were hatched in that shed. Yeah, I'd say these are, oh, I don't know, who knows what they are. Yeah, that was the later one, just landed, look. Oh, it's going up 4. Just had a big downpour of rain. Now look at it. Beautiful evening. Very tempted to give them a stick, but shouldn't really do that, should you? Tell if that's, oh, I thought that's black one up. No, black's on the top there. That's not a black one up. Where's my long stick? I am tempted. You don't like lazy birds. Get up, get up, get on up. Who's that left? There's 11 on the second round. Got 4 on the shed. Let's give one more little tap. All babies. I'll just let them flap about a little bit. How many's on the shed? I think it's 4 on the shed. Let them batch up a bit, 10 minutes or so, even not even that. Then I'll get the droppers out. When it look like they're going to land on a house or smash into the tree, I'll put the droppers out. Oh, one nearly hit the tree then, see that? See, I'm in the light, I'm in the mind of thinking, if they can all fly, why can't the rest? Two more up. What's on the back there? All babies. I lost one, number 15 I think it was, at Sheffield, a long while ago, and number 1 has passed on to my friend Dusty. Would not fly, it just would not fly. And that's the oldest, that was an older one, so that went away, that's gone. And I've got the have a little peep in here for you. Look, we've got these on eggs now. Everybody's got 1 egg. Most of them on that side have got 2 eggs. The hen at the top there's got 2 eggs. Them ones have only got 1 egg at the minute. Just laid within the last 2 or 3 days. Right, there's babies up here, so we're gonna babies up here, so I'm gonna get these droppers out now. Come on. I chuck the food in 3 places: far shed end to here, and obviously to the shed. Just keep them moving. Come on. I don't like chucking it on the top of this because there's clear Nuvolux on there, so I chuck it on the end where there's wood. Here they come. Hopefully we'll get them all down. Come on. Look at all these. I've got 10 rings left, so there's 30 minus the 2 that have gone. 28. 28 babies. Dare I say, practically settled. Come on. And I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but anybody rung on the right leg is a first rounder. Anybody rung on the left leg is a second rounder. Simple, isn't it? Come on. Not like the way they keep going up there. If one goes up there, they all go up there. Come on. There's always one stubborn one that sits about. Oh, he's down now. Now they've gone back up. Come on. Come on. None on the back shed, no. Come on. 2 second rounders they are. Just sneaked out of it. Come on. I'll catch him here. I can't. Get and drop us in there. Come on then. Come on. Yeah, so this is a second rounder because it's on the left leg as you hold the bird. Where is it? There it is. It's on the left leg as you hold the bird, so it's a second rounder. If it was wrong on the other leg, I knew it would be a first rounder. Look at these droppers. Sorry about the sun. Come on then. Drops out. So we get a bit of food on the roof. What a beautiful evening, isn't it? Beautiful. Just doing some work here. I'm going to put the path in there. Then I'm going to have a, well, got to sort this lawn out. I'm going to have this path with a brick edge, so I'm hoping to have nice flat lawn here. Then I've got to keep the birds off it, because I want it all to grow vertically with no foot traffic. Come on! That's not what you come for, is it? The lawn, sorry. Come on! Right, I'm going to catch them up and feed all them birds. I've just fed, well, half fed. Just got to give these old birds a second scoop. Then I'll whip them out and I'll put all the young birds in all them boxes and feed 20 young birds at a time. Righto. Hope everybody's well, and I'll see you in the next one.